Do you ever go looking for something in the garage and then you find something else that you completely forgot that you had? That's what happened to me this morning when I found this fancy piece of equipment. This is a Vendetta 2 from Leupold. It is a bow mounted laser rangefinder. Now, why would I want to get rid of that? Well, I went to a slider site by CBE, 3-pin slider, and you really can't use it with that because the sight has to be stationary, kind of like my old sight that I still have. You sight it in for the top pin, put your top pin on whatever you're trying to shoot, hit the button, and it'll give you a range. Now, like I said, I went to a slider, which is just a 3-pin sight with an adjustable top pin, so you can dial up whatever yardage you want. But I actually really miss using this, and I completely forgot that I had it. So today, we're going to go from this sight to my old sight. Now, I know the question you're asking is, well, how do you get that thing sighted in? Because obviously you're not just going to point it. You're not going to mount it on your bow, point it, and bam, it's going to be on. What you got to do is there's a little button that all you do is you press it at the front of your bow. And that's what ranges it. You just have to tap it one time. Well, now what you got to do is you got to wait for that to go off. Now to sight this thing in, all you have to do is hold that little button down that you use to range with. And as you hold that down, you get a countdown. Once it gets to 0, it will project a laser. And that's what you use to sight the sight in. There's little adjustment notches underneath there, underneath the bottom of it right there. I know you can see it. You use that, and that moves the laser up, down, left, and right. But all you got to do is sight that in for your top pin, and then you're good to go. And now that that's on, I can show you how this all works.